XM, a regulated Forex and CFD broker founded in 2009, enables earning through trading over 1,000 instruments like currency pairs, major or minor or exotic, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptos. Profits come from speculating on price movements, buy low, sell high, or short sell, with leverage up to 888 on one amplifying gains and risks. However, 75 to 89% of retail traders lose money, so education is key. Step by step to start earning. Open an account. Visit xm.com, click Open Account. Provide email, phone, and personal details. Choose a demo account for practice, virtual funds, or live, minimum deposit $5 for micro or standard accounts. Verify and fund. Complete KYC with ID upload. Deposit via 25+ methods. Cards, e-wallets, bank transfer, no fees. Claim $30 no deposit bonus for newbies or up to $5,000 deposit match. Download. Platform. Use MT4 or MT5 or XM app, iOS, Android. Install, log in, and explore tools like charts and indicators. Trade strategically. Analyze markets via XM's free webinars, seminars, 19 languages, and research. For beginners, try copy trading. Select experienced traders in XM's MQL5 integrated service to auto-mirror their deals, earning passively, up to 92% returns possible, but variable. Execute trades, place buy or sell orders with tight spreads, from 0 pips on 0 accounts. Monitor via app. Withdraw profits anytime. Processed in 24 hours. Additional ways. Affiliate program. Refer clients for up to $150 each. Competitions. Win cash prizes in trading contests.